Wait, can you see any tracks? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Hold on. Today is also Sippin' Slay, and girl still got her water on deck because I know you can hear it. I don't know what's going on, so don't ask me. I just woke up and my throat was hurting, so you know, I don't know. Ooh, I need some more water. Now, before I show you guys how I styled this very affordable U part wig on my thin hair, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their big, beautiful hair collection. This is the brand new unit leave out wig in the style Afro Curl 16 inches. I got her in the color natural brown, and she does retail around that $20 price point, depending on where you choose to buy her from. This unit does come in specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. Now, like I said, it's on her card. This is a U part wig cap construction, so this is not a full wig. However, you are able to get a full look with this unit if you style her just right. Now, y'all know the hair on top of my head is real thin thanks to my PCOS, which causes male pattern baldness, thinning, and shedding. So I knew out the gate I was not gonna be able to rock this unit in the middle. I already could tell by the way it was looking on her card that she was gonna be a real deep center part. I have only tried one U part wig, and that was a human hair wig that allowed you to choose how much space you get in the middle for the U part, so that if you don't want to have, you know, an extra long part, you don't have to. Obviously, this is a $20 synthetic wig. You're not gonna be able to choose those type of options. So I decided to go ahead and shift that joint to the side and make it somewhat of an L part part, which means one part of the unit is right here while the other side is pushed to the back and going down to the side behind my ear. This unit, I would definitely say, gives off a more synthetic look out the pack. Even though it is an afro curl, which I'm assuming is supposed to mimic a natural texture, this is still a $20 wig. So, you know, I'm not going to expect a human hair quality on this wig. It's a $20 wig. I mean, buy a couple. Now, if you watch my install, you saw that I did go in and pick through my unit to kind of fluff it up and give it a more, you know, type of lived in look. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, big beautiful hair. I did a wig like this. It was a full cap. What was it? I did it around the holidays, like 2 years ago. It was like Thanksgiving and Christmas. What, bouncing curls? Big bouncing curls? It's bombshell bounce and rhythm ringlets. I'm saying big bouncing curls. I'm pretty sure this one looks like rhythm ringlets, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's the vibe that I'm getting from this one. However, this one is shorter, like I said, at 16 inches. You know, it's getting hot outside, so we still gotta, you know, we gotta protect the neck, okay? Do what you gotta do. Look at Cindy. Look at Cindy. Hold up, because she just straggling along. There you go. You ain't want to be there anyway. This one too. Get out. Definitely going in and combing out the curls, or not combing, picking out the curls. Took away a lot of that luster or shininess, and it gave it more of a dulled down, natural type of look. You can definitely see up in here what I'm talking about. This little section right here, that looks real natural, kind of like my hair. You see that? And I know you can see the ones on the end are still kind of, you know, stringy looking, or still kind of, what you call it? They're kind of shiny a little bit, because I didn't go heavy handed with my pick down here, but when I do, y'all see that? You see it? Stop lying, Cheryl. You know you seen it. It elongated my curls a little bit. I gotta shape it back up, shape it back up. And don't ask me how I'm cutting and shaping this thing. I don't know, okay? I do not know. I just be kind of doing stuff. Let me stop lying. So I'm cutting and try to get this shape here. I'm trying to do that, and I kind of fluff and cut where I need to. Thanks to my girl Gladys, aka Is That Your Hair. She has taught us to cut a little bit at a time to make sure that you don't cut too much, because if you cut too much, then you gotta cut the whole thing and reshape. You know what? I don't got time for that. Whether I'm rocking this joint in the middle or to the side like I have it right now, the shape on this unit is really nice. So you don't need to go in like I did and shape anything out. You kind of just fluff it and then kind of, you know, pack it back down and shape it how you want it. Or you can go in like I did and just cut the excess off around the sides, and you know, that's it. There is no leave out on my hair whatsoever. I mean, you see my leave out right there, but none of my ends are out, okay? That's what I mean when I say leave out. It means none of the ends on my hair are out. I don't gotta blend nothing, okay? I like that, okay? I like that. Even the parting space is an illusion. Y'all saw what I did, okay? I just went on and brushed this joint back over the track, and y'all see it. Y'all see it? Wait, can you see any tracks? I'm screaming, you can see it, and can you? Now, because I changed the orientation of this cap, the combs and the clips in this unit do not line up, you know, obviously where they're supposed to be. So I do have a clip right here behind my ear that I kind of just pinned back with a bobby pin, but I did use a clip that's up here, and I used a bobby pin right here on the side to make sure my wig is secure. And the unit is pretty secure on my head, so I don't gotta worry about anything slipping back. The fullness of this wig is very forgiving, so if you have anything going on under your cap, it's pretty much hidden. But y'all see how this is looking? This install is perfection. You can definitely rock this unit in like a full wig situation. See if I move this bang over like that. I just did a human hair version kind of like this as well, and look, if that was hitting your pockets a little bit too hard, listen, $20? Okay. Here you go. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this unit. I don't expect it because I'm not really raking my fingers through this hair anyway, so you know, there's that. I do wish the curls were a little more, I wish the curls were a little bit more clumped together. I'm pretty sure they dropped another wig with this one. I don't know what those curls are, but I'm gonna check that out, because yeah, that may be a look. But I chose the afro curls because, you know, afro curls, you get what I'm saying. Uh-oh, hold on, I got one right here. Look at, she tried to hide. I found you. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.